Okay, let's see. Can we go again? Oh, Voyou. Okay. Try E4. And maybe that Copac system, or C3 D4, whatever this is. Okay. Trying a slow sort of Roy Lopez type build up. So knight F1 to G3 and H3 maybe, bishop E3, Queen D2. Okay, he's weakening his king a little bit. Maybe I can play for B4, D4, D4. This diagonal. It's not. Oh, he's gonna give me E5 as a possibility. Okay. So E5 and D5, or I wonder. Possibly D5, knight D4, and then F4, and then E5. So F4, maybe then E5 later, or knight C6, then E5. That could be quite tasty. Alright, so E5 or knight C6. Knight C6 looks pretty good actually. I think for D6, the D6 weakness. Okay, so give me that D6. Okay, E5 here, that knight's loose. On C5. So this could look quite crushing if he's not careful. Okay, it looks quite crushing because of ED, two connected pass pawns there. And the knight's loose. So where does the knight go back? And there's also F5. This seems to have worked out quite well, this D4. F5 looks brutal as well. Just getting his king safety as well, just for a laugh. There's H4 here. Where would the knight go on H4? Wow. I don't know what happened to black. It doesn't look good. Okay, speculative, to say the least. Queen H2, just Queen H2 looks good. I think the Queen, as long as there's no rook E3 and bishop D4. What about D7? Just getting these pawns working. Okay, so D7 looks pretty good for C7. Yep, I don't know what to say. I don't know, he seems to get smashed. Did he underestimate this Roy Lopez approach? Yeah, this doesn't look good for black. Indeed. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.